Now we're going to place our shelf paper. And this is a little bit of a challenge. Make sure you look at your shelf paper and that is in the right direction. I know I've gotten mine on backwards before and it bugs me for the whole time. All right, so I'm just starting at one side and then laying it down and pressing it into the corners, smoothing out any wrinkles or bubbles as I go. And that went on fairly well, nice and flat. I'm going to give you a close-up look of that. And now we'll finish that by adding some more Mod Podge right over the top. Again, work it into your brush. I'm going to start in the corners along this seam. Get it in there really well and in the back corner. And along this front seam so it seals it down nicely. And then just going over the top of it. And this is looking a little milky. As you can see, it looks a little milky over here where the glue is, but that will dry clear and you'll never see it. So again, just working my brush into this corner and along the edge and this front edge especially too, to seal it down. So it's really easy to work with. You don't have to worry about being really detailed in your painting or laying it down. It just goes right on. Just doing it in the edges real quick again, in the corners. And that's all set. I'll show you a close-up of that. And you can see the glue and the milkiness, and all that will dry clear and hard and seal that all down.